Your friends are hungry. Let's make a pizza. Our friends are hungry. Let's get some pizza delivered today. The wolves. Choose a pizza to make. Margarita. Put the necessary items into the basket. Tomatoes. Well done. Olive oil. You're doing great. Halfway through. Cheese. Perfect. Basil. Right. Well done. You've collected all the ingredients. Now, let's prepare the ingredients. We need to grate this. This needs to be cut. Tear off all the leaves. Great! The ingredients are ready. Let's prepare some sauce for our pizza. Now, mix the sauce. Hurrah! The sauce is ready. Let's make some dough. Good. The dough is ready. Now let's mix everything. Let's flatten it now. Hurrah! It's starting to look like a pizza. Now it's time for toppings. Awesome! The pizza is almost ready. Now, let's pop the pizza in the oven. Tap the screen for the pizza to cook faster. Just a little left. The friend. Hurrah! You found him. Let's hurry to our friend. Watch out! A log ahead. Watch out! A snowdrift ahead. Watch out! Oh no! The car's covered in snow. Watch out! A stone ahead. Hurrah! We've arrived. Let's feed our friends. Cut the pizza in slices. Now, give everyone a slice. Well done! Everyone's full and happy. Tap the present to open it. Hurrah! You've got new pizza ingredients.